Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamualaikum friends. Today we have Moazzam with us and we are making
Jalebies.
we are making jalebies with Moazzam. So Moazzam will assist me in making jalebies. Moazzam, like to cook?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So first we take flour. Okay?
Flour?
This is all purpose flour. Okay? First we take 1 cup of flour. Okay, you have to take 1. अच्छा, we are doubling the quantity क्योंकि हम नानू के लिए भी लेके जाएंगे ना. So we are doubling the quantity. Okay, so we will take 2 full cups of flour. Okay. Okay, take 1 more cup. You have wash your hands now, so you can use your hands. It's okay to use your hands. Use both of your hands to fill it. It's after long time Moazzam is helping Mama in cooking, na Moazzam?
Yes.
Okay. Now we will take 2 teaspoons of yeast. Yeah. 1 more.
Yes. I like it. I'm so
One
excited.
You're so excited now? Okay, good.
Yes. You are excited?
Yep, I'm excited too. Now we will add ghee, melted ghee in it. Okay?
Okay. And we will mix.
Yep, we mix it. But first we have to add yellow food color in it. Okay, we are adding yellow food color in it. Okay, and then add 2 tablespoons of besan. Come on, add 2 tablespoons of besan. 2 spoons. 1. Yeah, good. And 1 more. Full. Good job. Now give it a good mix. Give it a good mix with fork. Yeah. Good. Slowly. Now slowly add water and keep mixing it. This is the favorite part, na? This is your favorite part. You love mixing, na?
Yes. You know?
Yeah, I know. Come on. Good job. Keep mixing. Give it a good mix. We need a little runny consistency. Okay? Come on. Can I help you?
Please. Thank you.
Welcome. We need more water. Give it a good mix. Very good. So here our batter is almost ready, and see the consistency. Moazzam, there are still lumps in it. Beat it nicely. Okay. Beat it a little more to get rid of lumps. Okay, there are still lumps in this. Meanwhile, Moazzam is preparing batter. We are making sugar syrup with Maz. Maz, what we are making now?
Chini.
Sugar syrup. Nahi, chini nahi. We are making sugar syrup. Chashni. Maz, say assalamu alaikum to your friends. Okay. Now put 1 cup of sugar. Okay. 1 cup of sugar. We need 1 more cup. Okay. So these are 2 cup of sugar, and we will put 1 cup of water in it. You are done. We will add 1 cup water. Okay. And we will turn on the stove. Yummy. Okay. We will turn on the stove and we have to stir it. So Mama will do this. Okay. We will let it cook till all the sugar melt. You know what is melting, Moazzam?
Melting is turning solid
with the help of,
Heat.
yeah, turning solid into liquid with the help of heat. See how beautifully it's melting. I'm not letting you stir because it can burn your hand. Okay, what are some
You should
things
never
we should be
touch
careful
the
about when we are
stove.
near the stove? And we should never touch the pot. Never keep the spoon in the pot because it can burn your hand. Okay? Are you done, Mars? Okay, we are coming to you. So our sugar is melted, and now what we add, Moazzam?
Add some lemon drops.
Yeah, we will add some lemon drops. Come on, squeeze the lemon. Squeezing. What we are doing? We are squeezing lemon at it. Yeah. Mars, is it that difficult? What's the next step? We will pour this batter into this ketchup bottle. Ketchup bottle.
Ketchup bottle.
ओके ठीक है और फ्राई कौन करेगा अच्छा मुझे बताओ
मैं।
नहीं फ्राई मम्मा कहती हैं फ्राई कौन करेगा
Mama.
हाँ किड्स शुड स्टे अवे फ्रॉम द हॉट ऑयल ओके ना यू नो ना ठीक है थोड़ा सा डालेंगे लेकिन मम्मा फ्राई करेंगी ठीक है So our oil is ready. Happy is making jalebis. Well, she is quite perfect in making beautiful shapes of jalebis. Wow, that's great.
Yummy item.
And now we put these jalebis into our sugar syrup. And now our jalebis are ready to serve. I hope you guys like it.
Wow.